Hi guys, my name is Mark Stewart and this is my Ford Escort RS Turbo. It was first registered on the 28th of September 1990 and I'm the fifth owner. It's got 45,000 miles from new and it's never been restored or welded. It's just as it left the factory. I've always had a passion for 80s and 90s Fords. I had my first RS Turbo at 18 years old and I like the originality of cars, and it took me a long time to find this. I've just spent a long time detailing it underneath in the engine bay, which I'll show you in a minute. But I like to leave things as they left the factory. You know, it would be so much easier to unbolt something and clean round it and bolt it back. But somebody in the Ford factory has bolted that on, torqued it up, put the marker on to say it's been torqued, so that's how I like to leave them. So we'll have a little walk round. So it is, it's finished in radiant red, so it's a 90 spec car. It does have lovely extras from the dealers, which like the Ford headlight protectors, the Ford mud flaps. It still has the genuine dealers stickers, you know, window stickers, number plates and taxi holder. Those things I actually love about a car. I like to see that originality. So underneath I've spent many hours just detailing. This is all original. So it's still got the Ford one-piece exhaust. It's just, you know, cleaned and many scraped knuckles doing this. Somebody who doesn't know will probably think, well, that's been sprayed, that's overspray. But no, these cars left the factory with a white floor pan, and then the colour of the car would have oversprayed, you know, onto the bits. What wasn't masked, obviously. So as you can see there's the white with the red overspray. So that is genuine as it left the factory. Does have aftermarket tyres on, because I like to use the car, I like to run them out. But there is a set of factory period tyres, which will go on for show season, but obviously it's 30-year-old rubber, so we've got to think about safety. As I say, I'm no expert at detailing, but I do get great enjoyment from it, so I have enjoyed no better colour than red. Looking in the boot, no 6x9 speakers, which we always used to do in the parcel shelves, no holes cut in them. You know, under the carpet still has the PDI stickers. Original tyre and wheel, which has probably never been fitted by the looks of it. Going around to the interior, these cars suffered badly from sagging seats and door cards. That's pretty good. Tapes. You need tapes in a 1990s or 80s car, as well as the air freshener. There we go, 45,000 miles. Still got the Ford waffle mats in as well, which are rare things to get hold of now. So going around the signature RS Turbo fence. Looking at the front, again dealer number plates. And under the bonnet, so I've detailed this. Yeah, without removing things, like I said, I don't like to remove things, so as you can probably imagine, things like getting down there have caused a few scraped knuckles, but really fully enjoyed it. Battery tray suffered badly, so to see that like that is amazing. Fantastic. It's just the originality of the car I absolutely love. You know, silly things like these little markings that we're putting in the factory to say, yep, that's been tightened and that's been done. So there we go, guys. We'll walk round. So it's lovely and straight car. I'm over the moon with it. And there she is.